Carol here, you guys haven't met her yet. She's mine. She's having a little bit of issue today. I think I may have a loose rocker or a loose lifter. So today, what we're gonna do is take valve covers off, probably take the intake off, adjust them, and then if that doesn't help fix my issue at least a little bit, we're gonna go through timing today and show you guys how to do that. Alright, so what we're gonna start off with today is take the throttle body, top half of the intake off, this way we can get to everything, adjust everything. We might as well take the fan shroud and the fan off as well, so we can turn the block, help us adjust the valve a lot better. You don't necessarily have to do that, but that helps. Just gives you a little bit more room to get everything done the right way. What I'm gonna do is just unplug the mass air, get that out of the way, fight with it like everybody else does.
You might stop if you're going to interrupt us.
And take this off.
Look who decided to show up. Oh, I brought Ruby.
Line's undone. This guy off. Put him over here somewhere. This guy out of the way. Watch yourself. Stop. You're tripping all over yourself. You know which side it's sticking on? That's right here. Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Now that we've got the intake piping off, next we're going to take the throttle body off, and then he's right now taking the intake manifold off.
Yeah! FYI, I've never opened this motor up. You guys are seeing it for the first time just as I am. I'm a little nervous. Give me something to cut this with, because it ain't coming off.
Man's always needy. So we got the intake off. Now time to take the valve covers off, check the valves. Dun dun dun.
Just looking at how beat up back parts were from hitting the stud. I don't know if they did what I did the first time. Got too long of a push rod and was breaking studs.
Alright, so now that we've got the first valve cover off, now we're gonna turn the motor over and check the valves, make sure they're all in spec, I guess. Yeah. Stay till the end. There's gonna be bloopers. For sure.
What? Yeah. Need help.
hoping if he rotates it, it bleeds out the oil pressure inside the lifter so we can adjust it properly.
What he's doing is he's cleaning the harmonic balancer, which is right there. Right there. It's really bright, it's white, but you can't. But it's right there. So, as you can see, it has numbers on it, and that tells you what time it is with the timing light. And you're blurry. There you go. So, and then I forgot the rest of what he said, so.
Basically, you have the distributor set. The engine's on TDC, on
Top dead center.
top dead center. Cylinder 1 compression stroke. We have cylinder 1 spark plug wire, that's right back here. When you set this in place, it sits right there. You pop it off, and as you can see is the rotor is facing towards cylinder 1 compression. So now that that is all set, we can pop the distributor up, adjust it, and set it back in and lock it down. And then we can adjust timing from there. But yeah, that's about it.
So how do you know where to pull it up and turn it?
Skills. It's just skills.
Basically, it's so right here you can see you need wiggle room. Right now he's maxed out, which is how you can tell it's at least a tooth off on the gear. So there, on this, there's a shaft that goes down into and makes contact with the camshaft.
Right.
And that gear runs, the camshaft runs that gear, so it knows when to fire. So if this is maxed out this way, because this adjusts, you
Okay,
adjust
so
it
then
this
you
way.
turn it.
When you go to turn it,
Got it.
to change the timing, right here it's maxed out. You can't adjust it anymore.
Right.
So he's got way too much timing in, which is
I was wondering
possibly
that.
what can cause the misfire. And what we need to do is pop it out and then just rotate it over so the distributor is facing this way. That way we have more swing.
More play, yep.
That way we can adjust it precisely.
Got it. So I'm gonna teach you all something that I learned a long time ago. That if you're working on a car and trying to find a noise in the car, in like the motor, you can take like something solid, like an extension. You can take this, put on whatever, and stick up against your ear, and you can actually hear. You can actually hear like the things inside the motor, make sure that it's so you can pinpoint where the noise is. So, a little tip. Got everything about together. So now we're gonna take a test drive, make sure it's running right, and yeah. So we got into it. There was a cop back there. From my point of view, before we passed her, it looked like she was taking radar, but she wasn't. We both had a oh crap moment.
A little bit. Did everything we were going to do today. Found a couple more small issues that could be addressed, need to be addressed, and she'll be healthy after that. A few heart attacks today is enough. I don't need any more than that. Comment, like, subscribe, notification button down here. It's been real. See you.
So now that we got the intake piping off, look at this fat, skinny boy eating.
Hungry. Easy, Erica. Push drink.
Now we install the blower.
Yes, please. I'll take 2.
Insert blower here.
Why do you have that on?